shape that you want to be able to create. This look can be changed and dressed up or dressed down by, I like to tuck it behind the ear. And then with that, just to tame all the small hairs, I'll be using the Colour Bar Cut Favourite again. Just going to wait in this corner. And then going in with a soft bristle brush. This one's from Denman. A bit more for the night. You could add extra volume in the fringe. Always work diagonally across with the volume, and then it tends to sit a lot nicer. Every section I do, I tend to then go in again with the Colour Bar Cut Favourite hairspray, just to secure the backcomb, and never brush out until finishing completely on the fringe. Now that I've found the shape that I wanted to create, I'm just going to be going in with finishing extra from Colour Wow Shine Spray. So guys, there we have it. This is the finished